In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Jira Product Discovery to capture ideas, prioritize them, and hand them off to delivery teams. Let's be honest. One of the hardest parts of product management is not building features, but deciding what deserves to be built in the first place. When ideas are scattered across notes, whiteboards, and spreadsheets, it becomes much harder to evaluate them clearly, explain priorities, and keep everyone aligned. Jira Product Discovery gives you a centralized space to collect ideas, score them, visualize them, and move the best ones into delivery without losing context. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're in, head to the top navigation, open the projects menu, choose Create Project, and select the Jira Product Discovery template. This creates a dedicated workspace for your discovery process and gives you a structured environment right from the start. When the workspace opens, you'll land in your ideas repository. This is where your product opportunities will live. Move to the Quick Create row at the bottom of the list, click the Create an Idea area, and enter a short, clear feature title. Keep the wording concise so your team can scan the list quickly. Press Enter to save it, then continue adding more ideas as needed to build out your repository. Next, make your list useful by adding evaluation fields. On the right side of the repository view, click the option to add fields. Add an impact field, an effort field, and either goals or strategic alignment. These fields help you evaluate ideas consistently instead of relying on instinct alone. Once they're visible, click into each idea's row and assign values. As you do this, Jira Product Discovery starts giving structure to your prioritization process. After that, create a visual view for decision making. In the left sidebar, find the View section, click Create a View, and select Matrix. Set impact on the vertical axis and effort on the horizontal axis. This turns your idea list into a live impact versus effort map, which is especially helpful during planning and stakeholder discussions because it makes high value, low effort opportunities easy to spot. Once you've identified a priority idea, open its card and find the delivery or delivery link field. Choose the board or backlog where the work should go, pick the issue type, and connect it. This creates a linked handoff into execution, helping your engineering team move forward without manual re-entry. If you want to speed up idea writing, open the idea description editor type/AI and prompt it in plain English to draft a detailed discovery pitch. This is a great shortcut when you need help shaping requirements, user context, or testable hypotheses. Before wrapping up, review your workspace. Check that your ideas are named clearly, scores are filled in, matrix placement looks correct, and delivery links are syncing properly. Once everything looks clean and organized, your discovery pipeline is ready to support faster, smarter product decisions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.